Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're not new, I just want to say thank you so much for the support. So today I'm just going to do like a general video. It's not really a vlog. I'm still going to do like my vlogs and stuff in between, but I'm going to try and drop videos like this like every Thursday. I'm trying to like put my skills to use. I'm like sort of like a talkative person, and I do talk quite a lot, and I'm always like talking about different subjects and different matters and just giving my opinion on them. So I just thought, why not share it with you guys? Like, it's something that I enjoy doing. I love talking. Like, I can literally talk for England. So basically, let's just get straight into it. So today's video, we're going to talk about the 6 things or the 7 things you need for a successful long-distance relationship. I know a lot of people are in long-distance relationship, whether that's like 3 hours away or a plane journey away, it's still long distance, and there's quite a few things that you need to do in order to make a long-distance relationship work. Like, it's so much order so much harder for like, you know, like for a long-distance relationship to work if there, if you guys aren't doing like certain things that you're meant to be doing. But obviously there's pros and cons in every relationship, and the pros are like amazing in a long-distance relationship, but I won't get into that today. So I've just got like a few things that I just think are very necessary, and once you have a grasp of these things, it will definitely make your relationship successful. Like, I mean, like, these things are like really good things, like why wouldn't it? And from my experience as well, because I'm in a long distance relationship, and from my experience I can definitely tell that I can give this advice. So let's just get straight into it. Oh, by the way, I did my hair and makeup today. Like, I'm super loving my makeup. Well, not super like the basic. I'm not like a makeup person, so that's a lie. I am a makeup person, but I'm not very good at doing makeup, so whenever I get it done properly, I'm just like, yay, I like it. And I never really do my eyeshadow because I just can't do it. So I tried to put on some eyeshadows today, and I think it looks okay, I guess. But anyways, let's just get straight into the video before I like start talking loads of crap. So the number one thing is you have to make sure both person in that relationship has to make sure that they acknowledge the fact that it's not going to be easy. Like, both of you guys need to realize that it's going to be hard. Like, you know, it's not meant to be easy. And if one person is like, it's going to be hard, and then the other person is like not bothered, not like aware that it's going to be hard, it is not going to work. You know, it's all fun and games to start with until you start like missing each other and so on. So it's very important to understand that you know, that it's very important to acknowledge the fact that it's going to be hard. Like, before you get into a long distance relationship, just, you know, you both need to realize and just say to each other that, yeah, I know this is going to be hard, but I am willing to do it. So that's my number one thing. My number 2 thing is trust. So I think trust is important overall, but in a long distance relationship, if there's no trust, it's not going to work. Like, believe me, you need to like trust each other. You need to build that trust, because that's a huge foundation for your relationship. And it's not just about trusting that person to go out and trusting that person you know, with, you know, just small things. It's about trusting that this will work, you know, trusting that you will have a future together, trusting each other. Whenever you make a plan together, it's just trusting that that plan is going to work. And in terms of like trusting your like partner around each other, that's so necessary. Like, just imagine if you're in a long distance relationship and your partner goes out and you're there like worrying about like what he's doing and who is it with. That's gonna weigh you down, and you're gonna get like so stressed, and then he's gonna come back home, you're gonna argue, and then because you aren't next to each other, it's like so much harder to make it up as well. Like, you know, So then you're just gonna be constantly arguing if there is no trust, and then it's just gonna make the relationship fall apart. So trust is needed. Like, it's so important to trust each other. Like, if you're not gonna have any trust, like, there's no point. And people get jealousy and trust mixed up as well, because it's okay to have some sort of jealousy, like, it's natural. However, you just need to not take it to another level. So learn to trust your partner if you're in a long distance relationship. If you can't trust him or trust her, you just need to talk about whatever is causing trust issues and just work on it, because without trust it's just not going to work, guys, like, believe me. And then number 3, which is this is like my favorite thing. Like, I talk about this like all the time. I drum it into everyone's head like all the time. So number 3 is communication. Communication is key, guys. If you're not going to be able to communicate with each other properly, then that's just going to cause issues. You need to learn how to communicate. And when you're arguing as well, you need to learn how to communicate, because if, for instance, one of you are upset about something, and you're trying to tell this person like why you're upset, you're trying to tell your partner why you're upset and stuff, and then it's just causing argument. When you're arguing, it's good to like talk, so listen to each other. So let that person communicate to you, listen, and then you communicate back. Like, some of us, we listen to sort of like reply and speak on it, we don't listen to understand, and that's what we need to do. And if you don't communicate and something's wrong with you, how is the other person going to know? It's like super hard, because I mean, if you live together or if you've seen each other often, they can look at you and be like, yeah, something is wrong. Whereas in a long distance relationship, if they can't tell by your voice, some people can hide it really good, but if they can't tell by your voice, already you're gonna know, you're gonna keep stuff inside, and then you're just gonna blow up one day. Like, you need to be able to communicate with each other. If you've got a problem, communicate, and that person needs to listen when you're communicating. You just need to listen to each other. So communication is massive. Like, talk about things, because when you share things with each other, it builds the relationship and it makes it like so much stronger. So that's one of my favorite things in a relationship, like communication. I always say, like, communicate. Like, seriously, guys, like, yeah, it's definitely needed in a relationship. So my 4th component, if you call it that, is you guys need to have a future plan. I mean, if there's no future plan, are you just gonna be in a relationship for the rest of your life? No, sorry, in a long distance relationship for the rest of your life? No, like, I'm pretty sure not. You just need to have a future plan. And sometimes when you're just meeting someone and you're in a long distance relationship and it's sort of like fresh, you don't really want to make future plans straight away, but I mean, it is something that should be talked about sooner, or sooner than later. What's the plan? How are you guys gonna end up joining together? Is that person gonna move, or is your boyfriend gonna move to come and live with you? Is your girlfriend gonna move to come and live with you? Are you planning to move to live somewhere else? You just need to figure out a future plan of what step you need to take in order to be reunited together. There's no point just being in a relationship and just going with the flow. Honestly, like, you need a plan. You need to figure out what you're gonna do. And I'm not saying as soon as you start going out with someone in a long distance relationship, you have to jump into like reuniting together. Like, you can be in a long distance relationship and then just building trust with each other and just working on a plan together, slowly but surely, and then that yes, this day or this date we're gonna ensure that we are reunited. You can do however you want, but there has to be a future plan, like, definitely, guys. And then my 5th thing is you guys need to make time to see each other. Now, when I say see each other, I don't mean like, it doesn't have to be like a visit, because I know some people aren't in the situation to visit each other, which is understandable. Like, they're not in the situation to visit each other like yet, I guess, or it might be a long while before they can like visit each other. So I understand that might not be the case for everyone. However, if you have the opportunity to visit your partner, make the time and do it. Like if it's once a year, do it once a year. If it's twice a year, do it twice a year. But don't not do it if you can. Like, why would you not want to once you get the chance? If every opportunity you get to visit your partner, do it. And like, for people that aren't able to like visit each other, you know, as often or not as yet, make time. Do lots of video calling. Like, you know, there's Skype out there, there's WhatsApp, there's Facebook. Like, honestly guys, it's 2018. There's no reason not to see each other. So just make time. Do like Skype dates, do like, you know, just do anything you want to do, really. Just anything that will make sure that you guys make time to see each other. And I don't mean like speak for 5 minutes and then go. Make some time, like talk for hours on the phone or video call for hours. Like, just make that time for yourself. It's like going on a date when you're, you know, when you live together. You know, you make time for that date. You're on a date, you get ready throughout the day, and it takes hours when, you know, when you do everything to go to that date. And just make the video call the same, you know. Just, it's all about you guys. Don't let anything else get in the way. That day is for you guys, and that's like really special. Like, I find those things are really cute, and it really helps the relationship. Like, it really does. So yes, listen to my guys. I'm not telling you crap. I'm honestly serious, and I know what I'm talking about, and I'm sure like a lot of people can agree with me. And then the last one but not least is, you guys need to spice up the relationship. Guys, no one wants to go in a relationship. You need to figure out, I'm not going to tell you how to spice your relationship up, I'm sure that is up to you, but you need to think of creative way how you can spice that relationship up. Whether that's like a surprise, so, you know, sending surprise flowers, surprise gifts, or whatever it is, you need to spice it up. You need to do something, keep that person on their toes. Like, distance should not get in the way of surprising your partner. Distance should not get in the way of spicing up your relationship, because, like, I know I say this all the time, but it's 2018. There is no excuse for not spicing up your relationship, guys. So guys, you need to think of creative ways to spice your relationships up. Don't just do it when it comes to birthdays and when it comes to special day. Just do it like whenever you can do it. There's never enough, there's never too much spicing up, so just go ahead and do it, guys. Like, seriously. So that's it, guys. So these are my main things. These are like my 6 successful things to make a long distance relationship work. And one key thing I forgot to say as well that I got today is it needs to be 50-50. Whatever you guys are doing, it needs to be 50-50. It can't be 60% effort and then 40% effort. Like, it needs to be 50-50, guys, because if it's not, then there's no point being in that relationship. So yeah, that wraps it up for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be dropping a vlog this weekend. I don't know if it's going to be Saturday or Sunday, pardon me, but I will drop a vlog this weekend, so please look out for it. And I will be doing these videos every Thursday, so please tune in, please subscribe. If you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe below. Please turn on your post notifications so that you know when I post. And you can follow me on Instagram at crystal_93. It's all going to be down below. I do use Instagram quite a lot. I am on Snapchat, but I don't go on that often, but I do use it sometimes. Yeah, so you can reach me on that, you know, on those things if you want to. But please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well, guys. And yes, I will be dropping a vlog this weekend. I don't know what it's going to be about yet, but at the moment it's raining outside. You can't really tell, but it's raining outside, so I don't know if this weekend is going to be sunny or not. If it's raining, you know, I'm going to stay inside. If it's sunny, then I'll do something fun just for you guys. Actually, no, I'm going to do something fun for myself. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.